Get your presentation on.
Hi, this is Judd with PresenterMedia. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to use the AI presentation maker from PresenterMedia to quickly make a presentation, and more specifically for teachers as school is starting up here in just a month, how it can be used to quickly make slides for your classroom to do a lesson, go over a lesson or teaching material. So I'm going to get started here, and I'm signed in to PresenterMedia because I have an account. If you don't have an account, you can try out the PresenterMedia AI Presentation Maker by just going and clicking on this right here, AI Presentation Maker, and it'll take you to the same place. I'm going to go here. You'll just not have the same functionality, or it'll be more limited as you can try it out, but you can only do a few slides, and some of the features will be gated where you'll need to sign in or sign up for a unlimited plan. So let's get started though. I'm just gonna click on AI, start building with AI right here, and it'll open up the AI presentation maker. And right here it'll show the wizard, which is kind of the assistant, and I could put my my topic in here if I wanted to, and just select a number of slides and click a design style I want here, so organic flow, diagonals, or linear, straight. And it'll give me different slides based on that, and I click create slides, and it'll give me an outline, and that's a quick way to do it. But if you want a little more control, you can just close out of that and go into the kind of the manual mode where I can click and add slides. So I'm gonna do a quick demo of creating a presentation for the amazing journey of a water drop. So I'm going to go with, over here on the filters on the right hand side, click on organic flow, which will give me more of a kind of curved edge design of all the elements. Kind of reminds me of a water drop, is kind of curved and flowy. So we'll go with that. I'm just going to add a title slide. Over in the filters, I could click title slide and sort by that, and click title slides that way. And these are just kind of limited text on there. And let's see, I'm going to go with, let's see, another title slide, because I'm going to do, yeah, we'll go with this one. So I got two slides here added into my slide deck, and I can start putting details underneath each slide, and I'm going to do that for this one. You can see it says meet Drippy the drop, introduce cartoon water drop. I'm going to go cartoon character. So I'm telling AI what I want this slide to be, and that looks good. And let's see, I'm going to go click off that so I can see all the slides again in the organic, and I'm going to just start adding slides in here. Let's see, I'm going to go single paragraph, and that looks good. I'm going to add that slide in. I'm just copying in some text I have over here, explain how water turns into vapor. Step one, and then I'm going to do, let's go with this one, and do, okay, and I'm just going to go, I got kind of a multi-point, and I'm going to select over in the filters a multi-point one here, so I have this step right here. Precipitation, rain, hail, and snow. So I got 3 different points. I'm going to select a slide with 3 different points, and I have another in this step 4, collection lakes, rivers, and oceans. So I chose a 3-point slide there. And let's see, I'm going to click the filters over here, click quiz. And I have these just a few quiz slides I could add, and I'm just going to add one in there. And you can just add your question underneath. What causes water to rise into the air? And I got my quiz slide. I'm going to do another just single. Let's see. Let's go with this one right here. And this is just going to be like a fun fact. So I'm gonna have that, and I'm just gonna do a wrap-up slide here. That looks good right there. So like this will be kind of a summary maybe. So wrap up, recap the water cycle, and maybe add one more, an activity slide. Just if I want my students to do an activity at the end, draw your own water droplet journey. That looks good. And now I'm going to go up to this color palette up here and choose a color palette. I have a few saved in here. If you're just trying out the presentation maker and you're not signed up for unlimited plan, you don't have the option to save your own presets colors to use later, so just keep that in mind. But you can edit the theme colors up here and select from theme colors down here. So I can select from the ones I have in here. That looks pretty cool there. Maybe make a little more of a blue like that. Yeah, something like that. And let's see, maybe a yellow. Yeah, maybe something like that. That looks good. You can choose whatever theme you want or make your own themes. I'll go with that for now. Maybe I'll choose this one. This one's pretty colorful. Yeah, we'll just go with that one. It's pretty colorful, but we'll go with it because school's usually colorful with the primary colors there. Okay, so I got that selected. Over here on the right hand side, I select what I want to choose. AI. So AI will create my images in a 3D tune, kind of Pixar look. I'll save that. If you're on the trying out the presentation maker, you won't have the option to have AI generate your images, but you can still build a presentation and add images from a stock library in the next step. So I'm going to go click build, preview, and we'll see you in just a minute as AI thinks and builds. Okay, so AI has come back with my slides and the content on the slides, so I don't have to think and do much except for wait just for a few seconds here while it builds. And now I'm going to go click this auto image and then build the images for this. Again, if you're just trying out the AI builder, you won't have that option, but you will have the option to click down here, choose from Unsplash, which is the photo library, and you can select from photos in here and add those as well. You can't upload your own photos either. That's on the unlimited plan. Okay, so there we go. Got my character there created, and evaporation from the beginning, cloud formation, and got my water. Oh, there we go. So rain, snow, hail. So it's generated all these images for me. I got my quiz slide here, and I'll show you how that works when I download this. So I think I'm all ready to go. I have so AI can sometimes generate some weird words here. Showing blank canvas, color, water, color, paints. I'm going to generate another image here. There we go. So got rid of the text on there. That looks good. And I'm ready to download. So I go to File, Download PPTX, and it will start to prepare my template. And this won't take very long, but I'm just going to pause it so you don't have to sit and wait and watch. Oh, I guess it's back already. And it prompts me to download the presentation right away. If you're just trying out the presentation maker without signing up for the plan, you can download it. But if you ever go away from that page, you'll lose your work. If you're signed up for the unlimited plan, it will save to your My Media, and you can go and access it later to edit or download, and it's saved kind of in the PresenterMedia cloud for you to use later. Okay, that looks good. It's downloaded to my computer. Now if I go to PowerPoint and go open, browse and open the presentation. It will open here and click enable editing, and my presentation for my class is ready to go in just a few minutes there. And I'll show you the quiz slides, show you how that works. So you got that, and which of these causes the water to rise. You could add multiple question slides if you want to, and then when you click, it's gonna reveal the right answer. So yeah, that's the presentation maker and how you can use it if you're a teacher to build class material or teaching material quickly. All right, go and enjoy the presentation maker, and I hope it saves you a lot of work, and that's why we created it. So take the burden off of designing and creating the content, the wording and messaging in your slides. So yeah, if you like that, or if you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're always creating new videos that you might find useful. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
PresenterMedia, let your presentation up, better, faster.